Heavy snow to parts of the East Coast for the first time in a long time. Ginger, good morning.
It has been nearly 2 years, Michael. Good morning to you. Since we have had an inch or more of snow in New York City. Consecutive snow droughts for Philadelphia and Baltimore, also record-breaking. These lengths of times that we've gone without snow could change very quickly by the weekend. So let's go. This is the storm that does it. We need a couple of days. We need the storm to actually make its way onto land before we get into the exact numbers. But Lindsay, a pretty good shot of seeing our first snow in a long time.
Hard to believe it's been.
Barely get a breath on Monday, and then we'll have another one to deal with. But this one looks like it's going to be on the wetter, warmer side. The second major storm comes in through the Pacific Northwest this weekend. It dips down into even Texas. That's by Monday noon. And then look what it does. Rain and a whole lot more wind. So a lot of that snow that falls could get rain on top of it. Your local weather in 30 seconds. Welcome back to GMA. You know, we are not the only ones with less snow to start the year. Look at Truckee, only 52 inches so far. So they've still got time. Obviously, January, February, big months for them. And with this new storm, could see up to 18 inches in some of the highest elevations. So there's snow coming. All right, coming up here on GMA, the new report on alcohol and the risk of certain types of cancer. Dr. Jen Ashton going to break it down for us. I just saw her. She's ready to give you the new year, new you, and how to get the most out of gift cards, even those that you think might have expired, and how to keep track of the ones that you got over the holidays, because that's tough for most of us. Your local news and weather, by the way, they're coming up. Some big waves today along the coast of California, from the Bay Area all the way down to Southern California into early tomorrow. Could see waves upwards of 20+ feet, so that's going to be crashing in. There will be some wind with it, gusts up to 45 miles per hour. Winds.
Oh, 'tis the season, and be careful.
You know, this is a very different scene than it was this time last year. This is Sierra Nevada, California. The California snowpack right now, 25% of normal. Last year this time, 185%. Thankfully, that helped us get those reservoirs back up. In the state of California, we're still above average, but as we knew, Lake Mead and Powell both still low. Let's get a check a little closer to home. I could still ask some questions right after this. Let's talk about drought, because he's obviously not in a dating drought, but we are seeing drought across about a third of the nation. You saw New Orleans there, wet roads, and you're going to see a wet week ahead. This is the first storm, brings anywhere from New Orleans right through the Florida Panhandle some rain, but that second one that comes through early next week, that's going to drop some significant rain, which would be helpful. Let's get a check now a little closer to home. Will?
I want to thank you all for watching. Really appreciate it.
And later on this morning, Chris Christie is live on The View just 12 days before Iowa.
Have a great day, everyone.